And the credit run off a while ago. So
yeah. You know what I always say, when make you get some good supply where you can make your island sell locally, like naturally.
yeah man, would I love that, man. Would I love that. Yeah man. And yeah, here one now, anytime I come to Jamaica, I want to come meet the item.
Yeah.
Yeah man, because we have to make the link stronger. And if you have like a smartphone where you can take picture of what you do, like when you cut the almonds and everything, just take some picture or do some like a small video. And you can send them video to me. And we can put it on my website because we have a large following and the following will grow every day. That's what I want. So when people come to Jamaica now, say again?
Yeah.
Go ahead. No, what I say when people come to Jamaica, because people come to Jamaica all the time which part want the raw nuts. So they can link up with the item same way. You see what I want?
Yeah.
Yeah, and right now I kinda have it in mind where I kinda want me to set up something where I can get some kind of funding to fund the almond farmers them at Jamaica. You see what I want?
Yeah.
Because when me go a rather, you know, me and my wife go a rather go register for farmer. Because I check say rather would help you. And when we show them what I go on and then for sign you, they have to send, they say they must send go to Kingston, go create a code for almonds because none exists. So me I wonder say how no code no exists for almonds, so no almond farmer there at Jamaica. And then me I realize that people are all over Jamaica which part gather the almonds them and crack them and sell them. You understand?
You see before me get to you see all that last they call me.
Yeah.
They tell me that watch it now man see me now. Every week me say I wanna watch you know.
Wow.
But like when I start the business you know.
Yeah.
The people them all vex with me you know. Like when I link up with you know.
Oh.
Me know.
Okay.
About much.
Yeah.
Not be you know, but that you more definitely be a business get stronger.
Yeah man, so
business get stronger, you business will go alright.
yeah man. And here one now level. If you have any kind of land which part not really do nothing, plant some almond tree pan.
Yeah.
The almond tree them take 2.5 years for them start beer. And then last for up to 100 years.
Yeah, then you know them beer quick with you.
Yeah. Me do the study on them man. Me know everything about the almonds them man. A 5 year me I study on here. From me a little boy me I eat almonds. Same way I be very observant, so I learn a lot about it. You see what I want? But plant some almond tree and everybody which part you know which part are going to be a part of this what we are dealing with right now. Because neatly is a movement we are starting ever because these almonds they are Jamaica and then they waste and nobody don't know about them. And we can bring in whole heap of income or we can create employment in the country. You see what I want? Where people don't have to go out go work, people can plant their almond farm and they have a supplier which part can buy and they can make them money. You see what I want?
Alright. It's like a method that they'll start though.
Yeah man, so plant some tree brother and just tell everybody, you don't have to tell everybody because everybody not going to really interested. Just tell the people them which part has crack the almonds and deal with it. The almond people them, including yourself. Yeah man. Yeah.
Right now, my brother have around say 50 pounds of almond right now.
What crack already? Hello? He just told me his brother have about 50 pounds of almonds right now. That cracks already. It's already cracked. His battery must have died.